Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add CSS to Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can either select to start a new site, a template given by Google Sites, or one of the recent sites that you've been working on. Now, let's go to an open space where we can add the CSS on. Let's choose this. Then, we're going to open a new tab, and then we're going to open w3schools.com/css/. Now, once you see the screen, on the left panel, we're going to scroll down until we see CSS Forms right here. Click on it, and then you will see the different kinds of forms provided by CSS, like CSS forms, styling input fields, and so much more. So how can we put this on Google Sites? Let's say I want to put this on my site. Click on Try It Yourself, and then we are going to copy this text right here. Now, let's go back to our Google site. And then, on the right panel, we're going to click on Embed. And then, click on Embed Code. Paste the HTML that we just copied earlier. And then, select Next. After this, you have to see this on your screen. And then, click on Insert. And we can now adjust it to whatever we want. And that's it. We now have CSS on our site. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!